I'm always happy, guys, having you around me.
One, two, three, come on!
Hello, everyone. Thank you for having me back again. It's your girl, Christina. Thank you so much for being there for me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for like. Thank you for comments. Always. I love you so much. Let's go into the game. Today we are going to quickly talk and give ourselves, like, tell herself what we supposed to know before traveling abroad. This is what we are going to talk on today. Let's make this video episode 1 of traveling series 1. Wow, let's go into the game. I'm so happy to have you always. You know, of course, I'm always happy to have you guys around me. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Oh, please subscribe. Yeah, it's this side. Which day will I even know where this subscribe? Yeah, it's this side. Please subscribe, please thumb up, like, please always comment. I appreciate comments and I welcome your comment, guys. Thank you so much. So let's go into today's so what we have to know before traveling abroad, most especially this video goes to Africans, not all Africans, all other countries, but most especially Africans. We Africans, we take something so fragile, we take something granted. So that is why I'm doing this video today, just to encourage some of our friends and for them to know what and what it takes and it's up to. So firstly, I'm going to give us, like, is it 5 or bam 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 bam. Okay, let's, because I jot it down, let's just give ourselves 6 points that we supposed to know before traveling and we supposed to have before traveling abroad. Firstly, you have to have your passports. Some people will be saying that, why did I say passport? Normally, if you are going to travel, you're supposed to have your passport. Yeah, I have to say that because I have a lot of experience on issue of traveling abroad and without passports, most especially within Africans and most especially within neighbor country like Middle East. So together, like, some people will be saying that, no, but we are the same thing, at least they are our neighbor country, so we don't have to travel with passport. No, don't do that. Make sure you have your passport with you always, every time, because it will really helps you and it will really takes more about your identity. And even if anything happen, they will easily get in touch with you, your family or anyone, or they will quickly get in touch with you to rescue you, to know where you are coming from, or to know whom you are, or to know what to do. So, and especially second point is that you must have your passport, because if you don't have your passport, the country you are traveling to, if you and the citizen of that country have any conflict, so you won't be able to defend yourself and they will even accuse you or jail you because you don't have any identity in their country. They will say you are fraudster, or you are I don't know, immigrant, or you enter into the country illegal. I hope we get that. Secondly, let's go to visa. You must have your visa, no matter how, even if it is visa free, you must get it before you enter the country. Make sure you get your visa. The visa will make you to have stand in that country, because no matter how and no matter what they did, like, no matter any accusation, or if you get into any victim, no matter anything, the visa will guarantee you at least 50% that you enter into this country legal, that you are not illegal people, that they guarantee you before you enter into their country. Thirdly, tickets. If you don't have your ticket traveling, number one, you can't travel. If you don't have your ticket, it's not possible for you to fly. Some people can say they will go by road. Even if you are going by road, you have to have your ticket. Massa, you have to have your ticket. Okay, must have your ticket. If you are going on tourist, make sure you have to and fro tickets in and out, in case if anything, if they didn't like okay, if you are going on tourist, make sure you have your to and fro ticket. And if you are going to stay there, in your mind you know that you are going to stay there, don't risk it that you are going to stay there with one-way ticket. Try to get your two-way ticket. Even if you are going to stay there, you can open your ticket like other time, you can travel with it, or you can use it another time when you are going to your country back, or to any other country. Okay, how many points have we said? Passport, visa, ticket. Number 4, don't mind me, it's because it's been a long time that we go to school last now. Okay, number 4, you must have accommodation. Make sure you seek for your accommodation before traveling. Make sure you even seek for your accommodation before leaving your country. Make sure you seek for your accommodation before proceeding, or before boarding, before taking your flights, because anything can happen. If you are going on tourist, if you don't have anyone there, try to get your reservation, hotel reservation. And if you are going there having someone, even try to get another hotel reservation, or you have your budget, your accommodation budget, and you keep the money with you, or you keep it inside your account. If anyone is using Mastercard, or like any other country where prepaid, like 1 month, something like that, that you can easily transfer to, try to prepare your mind for your accommodation. No matter how it is, no, anyone that lives abroad, everything is not sweet and work for them. So don't expect that, okay, my brother is there, my sister is there, he or she will accommodate me. No, he may disappoint you. And even if he didn't disappoint you, you didn't know, maybe the house don't collapse sef. You don't know, maybe the house, your brother or your sister is cutting with someone. So make sure you prepare yourself with your accommodation before you leave your country, going to the destination where you are going to. Okay, we are going to have number 5. What is number 5? Yeah, feeding. Make sure you prepare yourself very well what you are going to feed on for the period of time you are going to stay there. Try to package yourself, arrange yourself. Even if you cannot pack your food enough, try to have backbone, someone that will be giving you money back home, that he or she can send something to you whenever you are broke, or whenever you don't have much on you. So always prepare yourself for your feeding. And if you don't mind, if you are someone like me that like food, don't mind me, don't use that one to abuse me. If you like food like me, the first time, pack your food, arrange your food very well. Wherever you know that you will eat, pack it very very well. The first time when I dey travel, I pack yam, I pack fufu, I pack garri, I pack semo, I pack wetin I pack again, I pack guy, I even pack rice, as if say rice no dey that country. I pack all these small things like tin tomato, grinding pepper. I ask my mother to grind pepper for me. I grind the pepper, I pack it inside the rubber, I pack it inside my bag. I get to the immigration office and said, they say, are you not coming back to this country again? The worst part of it be say I carry pots. So funny. Okay, see the last six. Okay, the number six. Try to have pocket money with you, extra money that anything can happen, so you won't be stranded. That is what the little and tips of it. So if you get there, you enjoy yourself, you feel good, and you feel at home. Let no one discourage you, or let no one lie to you that, oh, you don't worry, you don't bring anything. If you are traveling abroad, they will accommodate you, they will do this. Most of them na lie. Oh, my brother, my sister, you go suffer. It's better you have those ones like option. So if the person do it, fine, it's welcome. And if the person didn't do it, you won't even regret of like what do you do. So you try to rescue yourself. Okay, let's stop our pen for today here. We love you so much. Please top, subscribe, comments, like. I'm driving my car.